Hey, I'm Matias. We've got another unboxing video for you today. So we just got brand new Apple AirPod Pro. So yeah, let's open this up, take a look at what we've got here. All right, so showing off the new shape and the new silicone ear tips I think these guys have. So let's Alright, we've got a fat little box here. Different shape, interesting. Same lozenger style. So just looking at the case here, it's actually kind of cool. They've definitely gone for the long shape. The hinge is a little bit bigger, but pretty familiar look to it. Let's open these guys up. And there are the new AirPods. They definitely get a little bit more swoopy. We've got our little silicone tips on them. Let's bring these over here. So here's the original ones. You can see the case is a bit bigger. It's grown a little bit. You know, we have the different orientation, much bigger sort of hinge on there. Action is nice. It's going to fill your pocket a little bit more, but. And then let's take a look at the actual AirPods themselves, how those guys compare. Okay, so they've shortened the body up a lot, which is cool. So they won't be so prominent. They've got a whole jaunty angle to them now. There, so they probably sit in the ear differently. That must be the microphones that they added for the noise cancellation. And then don't they have like different tips or something on these guys? What do we got here? Oh, yeah, so we've got our lightning cable, and then in here we have our different sized ear tips. Okay, cool. So yeah, so quite a change for Apple here. Looks pretty sweet. So you're probably asking, why is Toast looking at AirPods if we don't cover AirPods? Well, what I've got here is a prototype, something we've been working on for several weeks now, actually. And we're just about to launch, and perfect timing with the new AirPods. So this is the standard case, and I'm gonna get to work and start working on that Pro case so that we can toast that as well. And if you're excited about that, we've got a pretty exciting thing going on. We're going to be launching a giveaway where we're going to be giving these away fully toasted. So look out for that giveaway. We're going to be launching that any day now, along with this new product line. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next video.